Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So what we got going on now is on today's episode is a Monte Carlo. It will remind you of a Manhattan, but it's not a Manhattan. First, we're going to go with 2 ounces of rye. Got some chicken cock here. I have never mixed this with a drink before, but it's a really good rye. Next, what makes this not a Manhattan is we're going to go with a Benedictine. And we're going to go with 1/2 ounce of Benedictine. If you don't have none of this, and you can get these in a lot of liquor stores, it is, especially like big ones like Total Wines and ABCs. A lot of these drinks that I make, this is one of the key ingredients in it. There's a lot of cocktails you can use for this. So if you're trying to expand your palate, get some of this. And wow your guess. So last but not least, we're going to go just 1 dash of our aromatic bitter. 1 dash. That wasn't a full dash, but anyway. Now I'm going to give this a nice, good stir. A splash in my eye. Should wear safety goggles. Got us a rock glass with 1 rock. Strain and pour. What we got is a Monte Carlo. Let's see if it's as good as a classic car. Cheers. I'm not mad at it. I could enjoy this with a cigar. It reminds you I think it reminds me more old fashioned than it does Manhattan, but it is rye. Again, this is not bad at all. And it goes with expanding your drinking palate, trying different things. And you should start with a Monte Carlo. Don't forget to like, follow, and share. Cheers.